everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And Shruti. What's up, Joe?
What's up?
My pink twin sister today. Yeah.
Pinkies. We are the Pinkies. So ठीक है, we reacted to Pira.
Yes, Atif Aslam.
And
It
now
was amazing.
It was amazing. Borderless World Season 1 is back, and episode 2 is also him only. So this is the next song.
Achha, very nice.
Is it his this thing? Singer Atif, director Adnan Kazi, music Ehsan Parvez Mehdi, composition Atif Hussain and Sharjeel, lyrics Jawad Sarwar Naqvi and Omer Ahmad. Okay, fine. Let's just get into it. It's called Umeedon Ki, very, very highly requested.
Oh, okay.
Chalo, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, play.
Borderless World Season 1.
World.
उम्मीदों की आए ना मुझे कोई खबर के रोशनी भी आए ना मुझे क्यों नजर उम्मीदों की आए ना मुझे कोई खबर के रोशनी भी आए ना मुझे क्यों नजर मैं जागता मांगता उम्र भर कुछ कहा नहीं मेरे सनम तेरी कसम मुझे तो कुछ हुआ नहीं एक दिल बेईमान एक ये दुआ है बेअसर रातों में रत जगे जीवन है लंबा सफर खबर के रोशनी भी आए ना मुझे क्यों नजर उम्मीदों
And this first I'm going to only talk about the music, okay? Because there are so many layers that were going on in this song that they were hitting you very differently. Because obviously, video totally unexpectedly, the way it ended, that like took over the entire. There were so many other layers of stuff going on which were impacting even before it. But then when like the guy who's left his home to go work and then comes back, and then the mother he's been like who supported him and sent him and like was वो तो एक डिफरेंट मतलब कितने लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता होगा, राइट? कितने लोगों के साथ। लेकिन उसके पहले जो सेकंड हाफ के अंदर जो म्यूजिक शिफ्ट हुआ है ना,
Exactly.
with that with the I mean I don't know what it was. It wasn't a dhol, but it was like, and it wasn't a duffli.
Duffli.
It was something in the middle. Like it was some other kind of a instrument that was going on. Like it was a mix of the two. Because duffli का थोड़ा flatter sound होता है कि duffli जैसा नहीं था, लेकिन इससे deeper sound था, लेकिन ढोल जितना deep भी नहीं था, So वो जो भी चल रहा, oh wow, like that changed the entire. मुझे goosebumps हो रहे थे from the second it started. There was like that break and then it started and then that like changed the entire trajectory. I couldn't stop. I was just like, ये क्या build हो रहा है? Like, ये क्या? And then of course in the video, the way the story was going and the way they kind of shifted it, and the person who's found, the thing that the umeed that he's been hoping for, the character, and how like, he finds that whatever in the world, but like he's lost his entire world. And like just the lyrics, the words, the music, and the way the visualization was. What a powerful song. And the message behind that song, yeah. I know ये world over, क्या relatability है इस गाने की. Everyone who leaves the country to go in search of that work, आपका passion कहीं और है, आप जा रहे हो कुछ और बनने, और उस passion तक पहुंचने तक कितनी सीढ़ियां चढ़नी पड़ती हैं. उफ.
Yeah. Oh man.
Much.
I feel like with Pira and with this song, Atif has entered his new phase where he is like that point comes in your artistic trajectory where it's about, a lot of it is or has been about you. Now it's about for others and
Giving back.
and
Yeah.
giving back. And so the fact that he's created these songs, they are his own songs, and he's working on themes like this shows that now he's started to think beyond just him. He's like, मैंने अपने लिए जितना करना था, नाम, फेम, मनी, जो भी है, शोहरत, वो सब कर लिया. अब और क्या चीजें हैं यूनिवर्सल जिनके बारे में I need to talk about, and I should talk about, and I should bring attention to. While the whole scene was unfolding, I was like, we've seen themes around people who live far away from home and how they miss the moments with their loved ones, and that thing is not a new theme, but the way it was executed and shown, first of all, I have to say he acted so phenomenally beautifully in every scene. Even the way he's looking up at the board in the airport, the way he walked out of the airport, I loved how he, on the trolley, he clutched his handbag so no one would steal it. That is such a first person out of their country kind of thing to do, right? That there's these little things that were happening in the video made me think, oh my God, so many people are going to relate to this. So I just love that he understands that there are so many millions of people from my country who go through this in life and who live this life. And yeah. And I want to show their struggle through a song. And these visuals, man, they were really powerful. So the fact that
I didn't realize how powerful they were. It's
Yeah.
just like जब उसका अब reaction हो रहा है ना body में, तो then one is realizing कि okay.
yeah, and usually a lot of people who are drivers or who work in a garage or they're cleaning cars, उनको ज्यादा लोग पूछते नहीं हैं. They're just very
Yeah.
it's, I'm sorry, but it's a harsh reality. People like they're very invisible and people don't really sit down and talk to them or all of that. So he's highlighting their struggles, their life, what they go through, how they like miss their loved ones and call them. My God, I was like, this song is in service to them. It's so
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So that intent was just amazing. And he showed different professions for that reason. It wasn't necessarily his character, but I think he was just trying to show कि ये भी करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं, ये भी करते हैं, ये सब लोग जो हैं वो बहुत कुछ गिव अप करके आए हैं और जहाँ भी वो हैं वो दूसरों की लाइफ उस जगह पे they make it easier by doing those
And
jobs.
somewhere
But
maybe his own life a little bit as well, because when they showed that Atif Aslam has become this and that, and like, वो सारे जो वो snippets आ रहे थे, and I was like, it's a correlation to, I guess, everyone's life. Like, the struggle, basically, the different phases the struggle takes
yeah,
when you go away from your homeland,
and also
and
his
then finally coming.
yeah, and his character from scene one didn't let go of his guitar, right? The guitar was with him
Yeah.
throughout. So
Yeah.
his character in this video and in the context of this song was a musician behind the scenes. His
Correct.
real passion was this. So it fit well with Atif's story
Yeah.
where they showed. So the kind of transition that happened with the music change and the story that इतने सालों तक struggle करके, चाहे आप businessman बन गए हों या आप बैंकर हो या कुछ भी, आपका सक्सेस स्टोरी फाइनली हो गई है, या आप आतिफ की तरह now he's a famous singer. All this
Yeah.
has happened, you've stayed away from your loved ones, and suddenly you transition to a phase of success. And then the person who was your world, like you said, you've got the world, but now you've lost your world also. So that again is so like it breaks up like it, anyway, that ending just hit so hard. I was like, what? And of course, we all have this, everyone has a soft spot for the mother figure, right? There
Of
is,
course.
so obviously we will all cry. But yeah, I feel like that whole music shift in the first half,
Yeah.
I felt like the lines, the music, I felt the drums were so like there was a sort of hollowness to them. And then I realized as the song was progressing that there's a reason the drums are a hollow sound.
Yes.
They were not
The
a full,
beauty of using the right instrument for the
Yeah.
right emotion. It is a talent which
yeah,
is, मतलब वो
Yeah.
सारी फील क्रिएट कर देता है और पता भी नहीं लगता कि क्यों वो फील क्रिएट हो रही है.
yes.
That's another level. Wow.
It was just like it made sense to me eventually. In the beginning, I was like,
Yeah.
it's this a bit strange sounding instrumentation, His voice is obviously standing out in the forefront. But then I realized, oh, okay, because it's also symbolic of how hollow one feels in those phases of their life. It's so symbolic of that hollowness inside you. And then how it transitioned into this very full sound, which of course was so from the earth, for lack of a better word. It was so, core in its from where it's coming from. And it was just beautiful. I have no other words. It was just beautiful, the transition and where it takes you, but then where it also leaves you.
Yeah.
Where it
I don't know
leaves
why
you,
it's hitting me so much.
it's
And
just
why it's hitting you. Like, I can see it. I don't know
Yeah.
why it's hitting us like this. On a normal average day, if you would give me such a song and I would listen to it and I would know where it's going.
Yeah.
I would know कि अच्छा ये एक ऐसे इंसान की कहानी दिखा रहे हैं, तो अल्टीमेटली उसका जो एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होगा वो इस तरह की तरफ जाएगा. वन इफ वन थिंक्स दिमाग से, वन नोज कि कहानी कहाँ जा रही है. आज पता नहीं क्या हुआ है.
I
लाइक
know.
वो
It's very
बिकॉज ऑफ
strange.
हिज वॉइस आप इतना इमोशन में होते हो कि आपको जो उसका वो जो लॉजिकल ब्रेन साइड थिंकिंग है वो जैसे बंद हो गई थी. सो व्हेन इट came when visually one sees it, one is so emotionally invested in the song that suddenly that came and it just hit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it just hit. And again, I just have to say that now it's more than 20 years since Atif Aslam has been a known name and a known personality. And I just shared a little clip or snippet of my interview with him in 2006 on Instagram. And now I'm thinking back to the Atif I met that day. At the start of his career, his first album
right from the
release in
beginning.
India.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
now this, like I said right at the start, that now it's about being of service to others and
Yeah.
in telling their story, and how I can create those relatable, important messages in my songs.
Correct.
Beautiful, beautiful. Pira was the same, and now this one.
पीरा तो कुछ और था भाई. पीरा तो मतलब
Yeah.
the vibe, yes, the thing that you're talking about,
The
about giving
intent.
back. Yeah.
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 Through this song, a lot of people will feel seen.
Yeah.
And
Acknowledged. Yes, that's the word. Correct. They'll
Very
actually
important.
feel seen that
Yeah.
their struggle, even if no one else is seeing it, कहीं कोई किसी ने देखा, acknowledge किया, और वो उनका वो एक that अपनापन that happens, that's all that one needs. बस.
Yeah. Because everyone's life is a story, and not every story gets told, and at the end of the day, people want कि हमारी story भी कोई देखे या document करे
और
या
just उतने में
उसके
जो
बारे में बात करे.
उम्मीद मिलती है ना,
Yeah.
that's why the name also makes so much sense. कि
Yeah.
बस उतनी सी बात में जो
Yeah.
उम्मीद मिलती है, आपको suddenly अगले 5 साल काम करने का जज्बा मिल जाता है.
Yeah.
So it's very
Beautiful.
beautiful.
Beautifully done, Atif and team, Adnan, Ehsan, Hussain, Sharjeel, Jawad, and Omar behind the lyrics. Everyone on the team, the musicians, video crew. Beautiful, just beautiful. Borderless World is turning into something very special.
Yeah.
So thank you guys for recommending and requesting it, and send this to whoever you think needs to watch it and listen to it.
थोड़ी सी उम्मीद चाहिए उनको जरूर ये गाना. Correct.
Yeah. And someone asked me on Instagram ki release that interview of I said uska audio बहुत clean up करने की जरूरत है. It's such an old recording. But let's see. Maybe I will. Maybe I'll just share snippets on Instagram. But yeah, it was a different Atif back then. Loving the evolution, loving where he is today. And that's all we're going to end this with. We'll see you in the next one. Take very good care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.